the roots of making print the way it should be go back well beyond just the last 2 years. It goes all the way back to Paul and Jeff solving the first printing problem at the University of Auckland. Pharos was the first company to recognize that people print, and that fundamentally we're talking about changing people and giving them the tools to help them do so.
That's how Pharos is defined. Working with other people, discovering things with other people, having the open mindset with other people.
We at Pharos like challenges. We love challenges. We love problems. We love creating solutions.
I think Pharos is capable of solving the largest problems any of our customers could face, even those they may not know of.
We need people who are going to have an open mind, a mindset of discovery to find these best solutions.
To me, the core problem that Pharos is solving is really it's a respect for people, it's a respect for the environment, it's a respect for resources, mindlessness, the art of going through life not really paying attention to what it is that you're doing and the impact of what you're doing is a problem no matter what field you look at. And print is certainly one of those.
We want people to think about their print and realize that every time they print it has a cost.
There's a lot that goes into mindful printing. It starts from the infrastructure and then reaches all the way out to the end users who actually do the printing. Has to be mindful right straight through.
Because paper is hard to secure, it's hard to manage, it's painful it's costly to create, and it's costly to destroy.
One of our clients saved $20 million a year starting in their second year of their contract with us.
Some of our companies are doing billions of pages per year. And if you can both reduce the quantity to just what they need and reduce the cost of that significantly, then that's a big win.
Being mindful means not just being mindful at this point in time, but building the systems and the infrastructure and process that's going to keep print well managed, not just today, but into the future.
Print is changing. The reason people print is changing, and the way people print is changing.
A couple of years ago, I was talking to several of our engineers, and I asked them, if you were to design printing, knowing what you know today, if you were to design printing the way it should be, would you design it the way it works today? And their answer was quick and pretty emphatic. No, absolutely not. We would not design it this way. So we gave them a challenge, which was, let's go design print the way that it should be.
The solutions of tomorrow don't necessarily come from whatever you were doing yesterday.
How do we free ourselves of our biases and try to get at what is at the root of what this customer is trying to tell us?
The way we solve customers' problems today is not necessarily going to be the way we solve customers' problems tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to be building upon new services, new technologies, new techniques.
Let's use the latest of what the technology world has to offer. Let's use all of the understanding that we've built in our 20 years of working with customers for how they want print to work. And let's build print the way it should be.